This is a DIYNate production. Thanks for watching.
So on this DIYNate video, you may have had a sink problem like this where the water is just not draining, and it's coronavirus time. There's a lot of guys probably like me who are not shaving, but when we do shave, we're clumping up a lot of hair, dropping it down the sink, taking a lazy way out. So that's what I think I've done here. So I'm going to show you a couple options on how to fix this without any chemicals. Certainly you can buy Drano and other stuff, but that can really mess with your pipes, and also it's an expensive way to go after that. So the first thing we'd like to do is, for one, you're going to take the top off your sink and just see what you're dealing with. Sometimes you find that you got something clogged up there, and in this case too, a lot of times I'll lift the drain and kind of see what I've got. You can kind of see the stuff start to move a little bit. Then another cheap solution here is to take a coat hanger and to run it down and kind of cram anything that's going through there. You can see how it's draining a little bit faster now, but not too much. And a coat hanger will really help kind of push that through. So cheap solution there. And then, of course, the other part that you can do is you go up underneath and loosen the ball from the back that drives the shaft here. You take the hook off on the back, and then you loosen the pipe up all together and clear out the whole pipe. That's kind of the permanent solve. And so in this case, you can see a ton of hair right up here in this, and that's, I know that's exactly what I've been doing. Putting stuff, that in my shavings down the sink. So that's a simple way to get it solved. I'll show you some more of this in a bit, but for now, that's the idea of what we'll be doing with this. Okay, for this part, you don't need an expensive snake or anything like that. You can actually just take a very simple coat hanger, and let's see if I can get this to where we go. You'll get an idea of what I'm doing here. Just untwist it, and now you actually have a built-in side here that actually works pretty well for draining or declogging a drain. And so as you saw earlier, right over here, you've got a pretty big drain problem. So we're just going to take this and run it down, try and clear out some of that gunk, and you can kind of see it coming loose right there, right down the hole. Just trying to pull it back. Trying to push that, being careful not to disrupt the plumbing fixture, but you'll probably get a much better drain just out of doing this very simple push. And then certainly if I've got a bigger clog down below, I'll know soon, because I'll be able to tell shortly because it will be or it won't be draining. So kind of get the idea of what I'm doing here is just going down each of these 4 crevices with that end, and kind of pushing the hair that's gotten stuck up at the top above the ball valve there, where it really doesn't have the option to get past it. And this will get me a little bit of traction, but I know the best results, if you ever really want to really get it unstuck, you got to take it out from the bottom, loosen that gooseneck drain at the bottom, and put it back together afterwards. So that's what I'll probably do after this, but this is the short-term solve to get it by. Again, a coat hanger does the job. And you can see, let's take a look at how fast we're draining now. Much faster. So pretty good there. Easy, quick solve. And even with the top of the lid here, sometimes you even find your problem is in the head. I'll clean that out a little bit here too. Take my wife's toothbrush, right, and just, go ahead and clean it out there. Just kidding, honey. This is actually my backup extra toothbrush that I save for little projects like this. Always works pretty well too with this, and a very cheap repair with coat hangers. Many of us have hundreds of these laying around, and without having to get all the way up to the sink, when you take the whole thing apart, you can see how much better it's draining now. So easy clean out repair there. Just one of the options, and I'll probably do a more robust video when this problem resurfaces on showing you how to take apart the gooseneck. In fact, I'll show you. And if we were to go a little deeper on this project, always good to have a bucket underneath
we would take this this piece off right here, and we would take this off as well, unscrew both of those, and then you've got the whole drain there. You know, if you can get away with not having to pull off this this back piece, then that's great. A lot of times you'll find your biggest debris is stuck in this area. Once you get that out, you really clean this gooseneck pipe out, and then that'll really clean your problem too. So that's another great way to do it. I'm not going to do it in this situation just because I cured my problem with my coat hanger solve, but you kind of get how that works. And now you can see we're back to draining like a champ with that easy solution. So hope you enjoyed it. All right, this has been another episode of DIYNate. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, and check out my website if you get a chance. In the comments, you can find out how to get there. Really appreciate all the support, and hope you save a couple bucks with this one. Thanks. Have a great day.